All right, people, it's Thursday, so you know what that means. It's time for On Court.
First-year entrants to this season's Business House Basketball 3-on-3 competition, Loring Consulting Engineers, just missed out on a spot in the Division 2 final when they were beaten in the best-of-3 series 2-1 by Jamaica Fire Brigade. The team's achievement could be considered a remarkable one, having beaten all before them to earn a semi-final spot and taking the Firemen to the third and deciding game where they lost by 5 points, 47-42. Captain of the team, Spencer Logan, despite being disappointed that their campaign ended at the semi-final stage, says he was nevertheless proud of the team's performance during the season.
Competition, as co-workers we get to come together after work and train and then work together as a team once more to accomplish a goal. It's really great to just burn off some energy and some excess steam, and it's a great thing that's happening here in Jamaica for businesses to come together and, everyone just come out on the court and give it their all. I wouldn't necessarily say our team fell short in any instances. It's our first year in this competition. It's our first year actually having a team together. It's a lot of new guys playing the sport. So we really came out strong, and even to make it where we did, we're very proud, and we're looking better next year.
He added that his players lacked experience at that level, having won the first game in the semi-final, but falling short in the other 2 games. He also said they'll be back next season, and with that experience gained, will be a better squad.
First year basketball team at Business House. We really tried our best, trying to get to the finals. Fire Brigade gave us a good series. They won the first match, we won the second match, and they took it on this final match. We gave it our all. Next year we're coming back. We're going to be stronger, we're going to be better, and we're going to train up, and we're going to come take it next year.
And that's it for another edition of On Court. Until next week, same time, same place.